We all know we should back up our data. But let's be honest, most people don't think about it until it's too late. Your entire life lives on your devices. Your photos, work files, passwords, and memories. So today we're breaking down how to back up your data the smart way, no tech degree required. Let's start with the basics. A backup is simply a copy of your important data stored somewhere safe. But smart backups aren't just copies. They're automated, encrypted, and redundant. That means your files stay safe no matter what happens to your laptop, phone, or cloud account. The golden rule of smart backups is the 3-2-1 rule. 3 total copies of your data, 2 different types of storage, and 1 copy stored off-site. Here's how that works. 1. Keep your main copy on your device, your computer, phone, or tablet. 2. Make a second copy on a local backup, like an external hard drive or network-attached storage. 3. Keep a third copy in the cloud, somewhere completely separate, like iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive, or a dedicated service like Backblaze or iDrive. That way, even if one copy fails, you're still protected from accidents, theft, or disasters. But let's make it smarter. Automation is key. If you have to remember to back up, you won't. Use built-in tools like Time Machine on macOS, File History on Windows, or apps that sync changes automatically. For phones, use cloud syncing, iCloud for iPhones, Google One for Android, or both if you use multiple devices. And don't just back up photos. Make sure app data, messages, and settings are included too. Next, let's talk encryption. A smart backup protects your data even if someone else gets access to it. Use password-protected drives and end-to-end encrypted cloud services. That way, only you can read your files. Another pro tip: don't trust just one provider. Big companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft are reliable, but accounts can still get locked, suspended, or hacked. That's why offsite and offline copies matter. Want to go next level? Use versioned backups, systems that keep multiple versions of the same file. If you accidentally delete or overwrite something, you can roll back to an older version. Services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Synology NAS all support this. And finally, test your backups. A backup is useless if it doesn't actually work. Every few months, try restoring a few files. Make sure your drives still spin, your cloud accounts are syncing, and your passwords are up to date. Smart backups aren't about being paranoid, they're about being prepared. Think of it like insurance for your digital life. Once it's set up, it runs quietly in the background until the day you really need it. So here's your smart data backup checklist. 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies, 2 media, 1 off-site. Automate your backups, encrypt your data, test your restores. Keep your system simple. If it's too complicated, you won't use it. Whether it's family photos, your business files, or the next viral video you're working on, your data deserves protection. So set it up once and never worry about data loss again. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos every weekday.